Right now, somewhere in the world, an animal is watching a human. Not watching the way we watch TV, watching the way a prey animal watches a shadow, or the way a predator watches something move. It is collecting data, it is forming a judgment. And that judgment has nothing to do with your personality, your job, or your name. Animals do not know what a human is the way we do. They cannot read our books or see our history. They know us the way all creatures know each other, through signals. Smell, sound, size, behavior, repetition. And over time, those signals create a picture. The question is, what picture do they build? Let's start with something surprising. Your smell tells animals more than your face ever could. A dog's nose contains around 300 million scent receptors. Humans have about 6 million. To a dog, you carry an entire story in your skin. Your stress hormones, your health, your diet, your emotions. All of it leaks out. Dogs can smell cortisol rising before you even know you're anxious. They can detect illness before symptoms appear. To a dog, you are not a visual creature. You are a walking scent profile that either matches what they expect or does not. But dogs do not just smell you, they study your behavior over time. Scientists call this social referencing. A dog looks at your face to decide how to react to something new. If you look calm, it stays calm. If you look alarmed, it becomes alarmed. A dog is essentially outsourcing its threat assessment to you. That means to a dog, you are a source of information about the world. You are a living signal tower. Elephants have a different relationship with us. They are among the few animals that can distinguish individual humans by smell, sound, and sight over long distances. Elephant research in Kenya showed that elephants react differently to different ethnic groups based on clothing color and scent. Groups that historically hunted them versus those that did not. They are not reacting to all humans equally. They are reacting to specific patterns in specific humans. To an elephant, you are classified before you even come close. Crows go even further. They can recognize individual human faces and hold grudges for years. They share information about dangerous humans with other crows. If a crow remembers you as a threat, birds you have never met may already know your face. You could be infamous in crow society without ever finding out. To crows, we are not an undifferentiated species. We are individuals with track records. Now think about dolphins. They seek us out voluntarily. Wild dolphins approach boats. They ride bow waves. Some engage with divers repeatedly. Dolphins are deeply social, highly intelligent, and fascinated by novelty. To a dolphin, a human in the water is probably one of the most unusual things it has ever encountered. We are slow, helpless, and bubble-producing. But we are also interactive. We respond, we play. And for a creature as socially complex as a dolphin, something that responds and plays is worth investigating. Rats are different. In laboratory settings, rats learn to associate specific humans with positive and negative experiences. They remember faces. They show signs of distress when they see someone who previously handled them roughly. They relax around someone who was gentle. Rats are making constant micro-evaluations. They are tracking our behavior and building a profile. To a rat, you are a creature with a reputation. What ties all of these together is something simple. Animals do not think of humans as humans. They think of us as something. A scent signature, a behavioral pattern, a reliable source of food, or an unpredictable source of danger. We get sorted into categories built by evolution and sharpened by experience. And here is what that should mean for us. Every interaction you have with an animal is writing a review. Not in words, but in memory. You are being recorded in ways science is only beginning to understand. The signals you give, your breath, your movement, your consistency, are building a file in a mind that does not forgive easily and does not forget fast. Animals are not wondering about us. They already have their answer. The only question is what answer we have given them. If you found this interesting, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.